We'll guide you through how to export a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your project is ready to be exported. Navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Deliver tab. This will take you to the rendering interface. On the left side of the interface, you'll see the render settings. Here, you can choose your desired format like QuickTime or MP4. If you're not sure which one to pick, MP4 is a good choice for general sharing and compatibility. Next, you need to set the resolution and frame rate. Typically, the resolution is set to 1920 by 1080 for full HD, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Ensure the frame rate matches your project's original settings to avoid playback issues. Now, go down to the File section, where you can name your file and choose the location where it will be saved. It's a good idea to double-check this so you know where to find your exported video. After this, look over to the right and you'll see the Add to Render Queue button. Click this to queue your project. Finally, on the top right of the screen, press the Start Render button to begin the export process. DaVinci Resolve will then render your video, and you can track the progress in the queue panel. Once the rendering is complete, your video will be saved to the location you specified. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.